Hi guys, so Namecheap will send us an email that contains our cPanel username and cPanel password, okay? So let me just go to my email, and then we're going to receive an email from Namecheap that is entitled Your Hosting Welcome Guide, okay? So just click that and then scroll down, and then you will see a box that says cPanel Access, okay? And there's a cPanel URL, cPanel username, and cPanel password. So first, you need to open the cPanel URL. Okay, so let's just open that. Okay, so this is our cPanel URL. Okay, so now let us copy the cPanel username. Okay, just copy it. And then copy the cPanel password. Okay, and then click Login. Okay, so this will redirect us to the cPanel. Okay, so now this is our cPanel. So what we want is scroll down, okay, because we want to install WordPress. Okay, just scroll down and you will see here a section that is called Softalacus Apps Installer. Okay, so just click the WordPress. Okay, just click this WordPress button. Just click it. Okay, and this is where we will install WordPress. Okay, so there's a button here that says install now. Okay, so just click that. Okay, and you can choose the domain that you want to install WordPress to. Okay, so if you have many websites, just click this drop down box and choose the domain. But since we only have one website, it's digitalbooks.club. Okay, so we have no choice, we have only one website. Okay, so scroll down and put the site name. Anyway, do not worry, we can change this later, so even if it's a wrong site name, it's okay. And the site description, but I'll just do that later. Okay, so now we need to put an admin username and an admin password. Okay, so I'll put an admin username and an admin password. Okay, so you need also to put an admin email. Alright, so now let's scroll down and go to select theme and choose a theme you want. But don't worry about this because we can change this later. Okay, so just click anything you like. Okay, now here's a section that says email installation details too. Okay, this is important because you might forget the username or the URL. So let's put the email here. Okay, so put your email here. Okay, and then click install. Okay, so this might take a while. All right, and as you can see here on the email, we will receive an email from Softalacus. Okay, it's titled New Installation of WordPress. And you can find here the admin URL, the admin username, okay, but they don't put the password. So you need to remember the password. Okay, so these are your email details. Okay, if we click on the URL, digitalbooks.club, okay, you will see that it's still empty. Okay, don't worry. Okay, don't panic if you see this, because since we just registered our hosting today, it takes a while to propagate. Okay, so you need to wait 1 to 2 days for this to propagate. Okay, so in about 1 to 2 days you will see WordPress installed here, so just don't worry about it. Okay, so here, again, back on Talcos, it says, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Okay, so this is the admin URL, etc. But even if it says the software was installed successfully, you still have to wait 1 to 2 days. Okay, sometimes it's less than 1 to 2 days, but I think it's safe to say that it's about 1 to 2 days. Okay, so here in the email, there's an admin username, admin password. So just keep this email, okay? So I'll see you in the next video.